This form lists all of the ingredients and their levels in a pest control product. It must be submitted to PMRA when you want to register or amend a pest control product. It is designed for reporting the composition of all 4 types of products: technical grade of active ingredient, integrated system product, manufacturing concentrate, end-use product. Let's take a look at some specific areas for completing the SPSF for technical grade products. For the manufacturing site, enter the name and address. This must be the physical address, not a P.O. box or corporate headquarters. But remember, each manufacturing site requires a separate SPSF, even if specifications are identical. So make sure you do not check this box for TGAIs or ISPs. Next, enter the formulation type code, formulation and version numbers. The formulation type is taken from the SPSF guidance. The formulation number increases every time a new site of manufacturer source is added. The version number increases when the specifications of the source are updated. Now, let's take a look at how to identify the active ingredient. Its common name usually appears on the product label. Enter the common name of the active. Enter the CAS or IUPAC systematic chemical name. Then enter the CAS number associated with the active. Add active ingredient as the purpose. Now let's look at product guarantee. You'll need to enter the nominal specification associated with the manufacturing site in box 9 and 12, then the lower certified limit, or LCL, and the upper certified limit, or UCL. These should be standard certified limits, as you'll see in the guidance. Finally, enter the overall label guarantee and certified limits. If there are several sites, the guarantee may be slightly different from the specifications for this site, but must be the same for all sites under this registration number, and all sites must fit within this label guarantee. Sometimes an active ingredient can be present in another form, such as a salt or ester. In this case, the label guarantee will show just the active portion. To enter the specifications, enter the name of chemical form actually present, then enter the weight percentage associated with this chemical. Next, enter the specifications of this chemical and the label guarantee that refers to the active portion only. Take a look at a few more examples of active ingredients present in various forms. Next, we will look at how to enter information about TGAI impurities. But first, it is important to remember that all impurities of toxicological concern must be specified if they are detected, even if below 0.1%. If possible, always give the impurity code name and a valid CAS or IUPAC chemical name. Here you need to enter a valid CAS number, but impurities without an associated CAS number will be blank. Then enter the weight percentage. This is calculated by taking the average level from the 5-batch data for the manufacturing site. Here, the mean of these 5 values were taken to get the weight percentage. Also, make sure the UCL reflects either a manufacturing specification or the highest level expected in production. This level can be calculated by taking the average value of the batch data plus 3 times the standard deviation. This is best done using software such as Excel. If you set the UCL of an impurity to the maximum from the 5-batch analysis, that leaves no leeway for manufacturing variation. Remember, the sum doesn't need to be 100% for a TGAI, but must be at least 98.5. And last but not least, sign the SPSF and date it. Digital signatures are allowed. For more information and to request the SPSF and associated guidance, contact the Pest Management Information Service.
A message from the Government of Canada.